Rare photos. This local canal has a small staircase for ducks to get in and out of the water. This cat has the word "no" circled in its fur pattern. This soap is in an upscale French restaurant's bathroom. Soaked a shower head in white vinegar for months, the vinegar turns sparkly and blue. These stools created from discarded books now serve as new library seating. A man discovered a hidden mini bar behind a powder room mirror at a friend's house. This pill